Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite trading books. As you know, it's very important to get a proper education before starting trading, because without education you are not going to make money, but you're going to lose them, of course. This is just a small part of my list, because there are endless trading books you can read and learn from. So it's very important, if you want to be successful, to read, to study, and to know everything about the markets, everything about the mental aspects of trading. Before starting, subscribe to my channel, help me grow this channel, because I want to help the beginners out there. I know there are countless beginners that are looking for an answer because they are losing money, so I want to help them. Click on the bell to stay up to date, and let's start the video. The first book is a book for it's dedicated to complete beginners. So if you are at zero, you don't know anything, I really suggest you to start with this incredible guide. Okay, it's Currency Trading for Dummies by Brian Dolan and Kentlin Brooks. You're gonna learn everything about the forex market, which are the biggest players in the arena. Okay, and how the traders invest money, the hours, everything you need to know. Once you read this, don't think that you are ready to trade the market, because you need more and more knowledge, to invest properly. The second book of my list is Technical Analysis of the Financial Markets by John Murphy. This is the Bible of trading. You can't trade without it, because you are gonna learn everything about the markets, their behaviors, the patterns. You're gonna find out why markets are trending, why markets are lateralizing, how to have a proper vision of the charts. At the end of your study, you'll be able to make a correct technical analysis. So you will learn about the indicators, candlesticks, uh, and etc. etc. Okay, so you're gonna learn a lot. Without this book, without this knowledge, you're not gonna make it because you know it's like the alphabet. You can read books without knowing the alphabet. The third book is dedicated to day traders. I am a day trader, so I learned a lot from this. It's written by Bob Wollman, Understanding Price Action, Practical Analysis of 5 minute time frame. So if you are not interested in 5 minute time frames or 1 minute time frame, just skip this section. But you're gonna learn a lot, from this very experienced trader, how he trades patterns and like triangles, flags, which hours he trades on Euro USD, which moving averages he uses, and so many things like candlestick analysis. So it's a very very good one. You can miss it, okay, of course, in your library if you want to be successful. The third one is Marcus Wizard by Jack Schwager. It's a very interesting book. It's a very big. It contains many interviews to successful traders. You want to answer the famous question: why only few people make good money on the markets and others lose? So he's going to interview successful traders that are very interesting stories, like the one about the trader that turned $30,000 into 80 million, if I remember, if I'm correct. So it's a very nice book to understand their psychology, what methodology they use. So it's very nice, it's very inside. Okay. The last book of this video is The Complete Turtle Trader. Is about a very incredible story of a very talented trader investor, Wall Street investor, We decided to teach to complete beginners how to trade and make it in a successful way. And these 23 beginners became millionaires. So I feel you will not find, of course, the secret formula, but you're gonna deep into trading psychology, what they do, um, how they think. It's very important because this business is very technical, and there is a lot of psychology because emotions move the markets and move the traders, but you have to you need to understand how to manipulate emotions, okay, to become successful. So this is the end of my review. Let me know what you think below in the comments. If you have your favorite books, share them with us. Push the like button, leave a like if you like the video, subscribe to my channel, and that's it. Good luck, everybody. See you soon. Bye bye.